Hey everyone, Chris here from Bobbit. I want to grab you for a minute and talk to you about our new event, DeliveryCon. It's in Las Vegas this October. What's it about? DeliveryCon. Well, the name spells it out. It's for delivery fleets of all types. If fleet is mission critical to your business, if you're running cargo vans, step vans, and box trucks, and these vehicles are constantly moving and they're running high miles daily, then DeliveryCon is for you. You've got pain points that this conference will help you solve. If I could sum up the event in one word, it's uptime. We'll get into maintenance, vehicle procurement, spec'ing powertrains and chassis. We'll talk parts sourcing, supply chain, safety, and managing operational costs. And we're going to talk big picture. We'll get into the trends you need to be aware of that will give your fleet an advantage in the delivery market today. DeliveryCon is a trade show. We'll have an exhibit floor. It's keynote speakers, panel seminars, and plenty of time for networking. We're excited about year one. We've got a great agenda shaping up already and a great group of stakeholders to kick things off. Registration is open now, and if you want to be a part of the agenda, let's connect. DeliveryCon is October 16th through 18th at Virgin Hotel Las Vegas. Visit deliverycon.com for more info. See you there.